yesterday in the middle of the snow, we decided to check on these girls here. And boy. And a couple of them are like really pregnant. They're not due for a few more weeks, but we got a little nervous. They're starting to bag up and just getting really big. So we decided to move them up to this pasture. Where we have a whole bunch of space, as well as this nice run-in here where we put down some bedding and let them kind of have a little more protection than they would out there on the pasture, just in case. This is one of those girls here. You can tell her udder's starting to fill in, and she's just, her belly's dropped quite a bit, and she's just looking really pregnant. I think we're gonna let them hang out up here for the next few days. Just kind of keep watch. Like I said, they're not due for another couple weeks, but better safe than sorry, that's for sure.